Hello everyone, so the theme of, I never know how to pronounce this, theme. So the topic of today is going to be manual work, I guess, or like sewing or repairing maybe. Not recycling, but like repairing something that's old instead of buying new stuff. That's my little sewing kit. So they are just very regular jeans. But the problem is that they have like little holes, like where you don't want them to be, basically at the crotch. So I'm gonna need to repair those jeans. So that's why it's today's topic. Yay! Excited? It's been a long time since it's been a long time since the last time I've been sewing anything. But I mean, I'm not a pro, but it's like very easy. You just need to use common sense and there you go. Can I just see? Focus, please focus. That's the inside of the jeans. Focus, come on. Yes, there you can see. It's not much, but especially if I put leggings under there, it might get worse. This thread is not thick enough. It just goes through the fabric of the jeans. So this one should be good. The one I already repaired. There's another one. There's this other one also small and this one big. And you might not see it too well on camera, but here it's also very weak. Even if I repair there, and there, it's going to crack at some point. So I think that actually I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm just going to wear it until it's like way too used to be wearable. But I think the photo is going to be about the texture because I love the texture of it. Alright, so I hope you had a good day and see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!